Hi, I'm Chandani, and this is The Secret Life of Ordinary Things. Today's ordinary thing was once considered a miracle cure for the deadly plague. People even fought battles over it, as in life or death battles. But now this ordinary thing is mostly known as a tasty ingredient in some of your favorite holiday foods. Any guesses? It's nutmeg. So what is nutmeg anyway? It's a fruit. Well, it's the seed of a fruit, and it looks like this. And it tastes great in this. You add nutmeg to food by grating the dried nutmeg seeds into a powder, or rather, a miracle powder, if you lived in the 15 or 1600s, when people in Europe were crazy about nutmeg. And even though we have no actual proof that it cured the deadly plague, everyone wanted it. But only very rich people could afford it. Why? Because nutmeg trees originally grew on just one small group of islands in Southeast Asia. They produce not only nutmeg, but other spices too, like cinnamon. The islands were and still are called the Spice Islands. Hey, it's Sloot, with today's question from Diego in Atlanta, Georgia.
Hey, Chandani, how did nutmeg end up in Thanksgiving pies?
Great question, Diego. Well, recipes for pumpkin pie showed up in cookbooks around the same time President Abraham Lincoln made Thanksgiving a national holiday in 1863. And guess what those recipes included? Can you imagine? Way before it found its way into Thanksgiving desserts in America, the most popular spice in Europe came from a tiny place in Southeast Asia. That meant it was very rare. And what do you think that meant?
I cost a fortune?
That's right, little nutmeg. Back then, nutmeg was as valuable as gold. Two countries in Europe, Holland and England, both wanted to control the spice trade routes that brought nutmeg to the rest of the world, and get super rich doing so. In 1667, they finally settled their fight. England gave Holland control of the Spice Islands in exchange for another island in New York, Manhattan. So Holland got rich until people started growing nutmeg in other places that had the same climate as the Spice Islands, and those people started trading their nutmeg too. Then the spice got way cheaper. Oh, hey, it's Sloot, who's back for...
Really bad joke. What you doing, Meg?
Nuttin'.
You're nuts, Meg.
And nutmeg is still an important part of our holiday meals today, which makes me very happy. And hungry.